Hello, good evening to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to remove Yahoo search from Chrome. So this is on the Chrome browser, see here on the Chrome browser. And when I click on new tab, when I try to search something on the search bar, if you observe here, this is the Yahoo search. Means if I search anything, the search results will be in Excel. So many asking me in the comments of my previous videos that how we can remove totally, means not changing to something to Google search, but totally remove Yahoo search from the Chrome browser. I'll show you how you can delete this. It is very simple. You need to click on these three dots at right top corner, then click on settings. Okay, settings. This is on the latest updated version of the Chrome, and here click on the search engine option at the left, and see here, as of now it is secure search, which is nothing but this one Yahoo, and you can change it to Google. But if you want to delete it or remove it completely, you need to click on manage search engines and search and find this one Yahoo, delete it if you want. This is your requirement. This is also okay. First I need to change the default here, then only I can remove this. First I'll change it to Google, then I can remove this. I changed it to Google. Now I'll get the option to delete it. That's it. If you open new tab now, from now on, whatever you search, the search results will be on the Google itself. So if you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.